Want to share Apple Music with your entire family without paying for multiple plans? Here's how to set up Apple Music family sharing and add family members step by step. Like and subscribe for more iPhone and Apple Music tips. Step 1. Subscribe to Apple Music Family Plan. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Go to Subscriptions. Choose Apple Music and switch to the Family Plan. This plan lets you share Apple Music with up to 6 people including yourself. Step 2. Set up family sharing. Still in Settings, tap your Apple ID name, tap Family or Family Sharing. Tap Set up your family or add member. Now choose how to invite. Invite via iMessage or enter their Apple ID email. Once they accept, they'll be added to your family group. Step 3. Share Apple Music automatically. Once someone joins, they'll instantly get access to Apple Music as long as your family plan is active. We can open the Music app, sign in with their Apple ID and start listening. No extra charge. Bonus tips. Make sure each family member uses their own Apple ID. Parents can enable Ask to Buy for kids. You can remove or manage members anytime in family settings. That's it. You've set up Apple Music family sharing and added your loved ones. Like and subscribe for more iPhone and Apple ecosystem tutorials.